over me! He ran over me!
Kyle,
You're not gonna let me do
boy,
that.
Kyle, what's Kyle gonna do, love? What's Kyle gonna do?
You obviously don't know what you're talking about.
Well, I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't even know
It's
who bloody Kyle
the
is.
Kyle
The Kyle
Smith.
Smith. Sorry, love. All right.
There's only one. The Kyle
I'm
Smith.
pretty sure
He's
there's
my
one.
boyfriend. And if you can see me arguing with you here, he's going to come down and smash in at the very, very least.
Kyle.
You see my purse?
Yeah.
That means I'm first.
Oh, congrats on being first at Chili's.
I don't appreciate your sarcasm.
What are you doing?
You right, love?
You know that this is a 20-mile-an-hour speed limit here.
Is it really?